Feic and Féach, two verbs that learners get confused with all the time. So what is the difference and how do we separate them in our heads from each other? Well, firstly, Feic for C is pronounced as so, Feic, and it is an irregular verb, so we can't really base too much off the root. It's going to be hunnic me in the past, niacha me, past negative, fecin me, and then feci me for I see and I will see. The verbal noun is fecal. That's mainly going to be used with the infinitive in that case, so rud éigean ekal, to see something. It's not related whatsoever to féach, meaning watch or look. You can almost think of this as féach air, because we'll pretty much always use an air afterwards, similarly to how we'd use at with look in English. I don't say I look the phone, I say I look at the phone. So very similar concept in Irish for watch or look with féach and then air afterwards. It is a regular verb, so that means we can base everything off the root. Déach me in the past tense, féachan me in the present, and féachi me in the future. And the verbal noun is féachant. It's going to be a bit different in the infinitive. If I'm saying to watch the television, it's going to be féachant air on telefish. We're not going to flip it because, like all of those verbs that have a preposition with them, we don't invert in the infinitive. Another example would be bula le muchorja, to meet with my friends. We're not going to put muchorja first like we normally would in the infinitive. If it's a bit too tricky and they sound too similar to each other, one thing you can do is use breathnaigh instead of féach for watch or look. It's used in the exact same way as féach. It's just going to have a little air afterwards in the same way. So I can say bhriathnaigh me for I watched, breathnaigh for I watched, and breathnaigh me for I will watch, not forgetting the air if I'm naming what I'm watching afterwards.